Ever dreamed of starting a profitable online business but felt overwhelmed by the complexities? What if I told you there's a way to create a consistent passive income stream by leveraging your creativity and a simple platform like Amazon KDP? In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to beat the competition and create a winning product. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to your Amazon KDP success. Step 1. Finding a niche and winning product. First, we need to identify a niche and a standout product within that niche. For instance, in the cooking niche, a recipe book could be a good product. In the mental health niche, a gratitude journal would be suitable. For educational books, activity books for kids are a great option. Regardless of the niche you choose, it should have year-round demand and multiple products that generate steady passive income. I am particularly fond of the activity books niche because it's consistently trending and offers significant potential. For example, an activity book published just 23 days ago is estimated to earn between $500 and $1,000 per day, which is remarkable. If we examine this case, we can see it's independently published, indicating it's a KDP product. This niche is not unique. There are many successful books within it. However, it's important to set realistic expectations and recognize that these earnings are not typical for beginners. While coloring books are an option, they are extremely competitive, with over 70,000 results. To find a less competitive niche, I researched further and discovered the Scissor Skills activity book. This educational book helps kids develop their cutting skills and shows low competition and high search volume. I also found other successful products in this niche, which is promising. Therefore, I believe this is a great product to pursue, and I have some strategies to help our book stand out from the competition. Step 2. Verifying niche viability. Let's step back and explore how to find and verify a winning niche. I'll demonstrate both a paid and a free method. Afterward, we'll proceed to design our Scissor Skills book. Starting with the paid option, my preferred tool is BookBeam. I typically use the Niche Finder feature. Within the Niche Finder, there's a preset menu where I select the new High-Selling Books filter. This provides a list of newly published books that are performing well. I recommend limiting the number of ratings to a maximum of 50 to further narrow down the competition. This tool shows you the book's BSR, monthly sales, and royalties, giving insight into its earnings. Additionally, if you use the Chrome extension and visit Amazon, you can see the earnings for each product, making it easier to verify a winning product. This tool can save you hours of research. If you'd prefer to invest time instead of money, there's a free method you can use. First, download the free Chrome extension called DS Amazon Quick View. Then, go to Amazon and search for a broad topic related to your interest, such as coloring books. Look at the number of results. Ideally, you want fewer than 1,000 results to indicate lower competition, but you may find over 70,000 results initially. To narrow this down, scroll through the listings and identify sub-niches within your chosen niche. For example, within coloring books, you might find sub-niches like stress relief coloring books, food and drinks, food and snacks, and cosmetics. If you're interested in the food and snacks sub-niche, search for that term and check the results again. You might find around 700 results, which is below the 1,000 result threshold we aim for. This is promising, but we also need to ensure this niche is profitable. Here, the Chrome extension is useful. It shows the BSR of the products, and you want to find at least 5 to 10 books with a BSR of 100,000 or below. A lower BSR indicates higher sales, so books with a BSR below $100,000 show good demand. For example, I found one with a 400 BSR, another with 68,000, one with 38,000, and several others with strong BSRs. This indicates the niche could be a profitable choice. Now, you have a decision to make. Invest money to save time, or invest time to save money. Let's invest our time now in designing our product and making it stand out. One observation about Scissor Skills books is that most, if not all, are in black and white. Creating a colored version could help our book stand out. Additionally, by analyzing negative reviews, I noticed a common complaint about the lack of variety and the designs being too simple. Step 3. Creating the designs. I began by opening Canva and creating a new design with dimensions of 8.5 x 11 inches. If you're unsure about the size of your book, you can check a competitor's listing for reference. Next, I used Midjourney to generate images for level 1, using prompts like a minimalistic, cute cat icon in kawaii style isolated on a white background. With the images ready, I started the design process. First, I added a shape, stretched it to fit our template, and made it transparent. Then, I clicked on border style and added a dashed line border to create a stylish frame. After that, I uploaded the animal graphics we created and placed them next to each other. To create the cutting lines, go to Elements, then Shapes, and choose a dashed line. Flip it, place it under the graphic, and adjust it to the desired length. To enhance the design, I added a scissor icon and a headline at the top. Just like that, the first page was ready. I then created the second and third pages using the same process, changing only the cutting patterns. It's crucial to add blank pages after each cutting page to ensure that when kids cut out the design, it doesn't affect the following page. For level 2, I started by adding a shape like a circle, changed the color, and added a dashed border. I duplicated the shape as needed. Moving on to the final level, which requires extra work, I began by generating the images as before. The prompt formula I used can be seen on the side. After generating the images, I used a free website called Photopea to create the cutting lines around the images. To do this, upload your first image to Photopea and select the magic wand tool. Click on the white background and delete it to isolate the image. Next, create the cutting line by selecting the magic wand tool again, clicking anywhere in the background, right-clicking, and selecting Inverse to make a selection around the object. Right-click again, hover over Modify, and select Expand, setting it to 30, though this depends on your image. This expands the selection around the design. Go to the right-hand menu, click on Paths, and choose the option at the bottom to turn the selection blue. From the toolbar, select the pen tool, click on the shape at the top, make the fill transparent, and set the stroke to black. Adjust the border width, and change the border type to dashed lines. Once your design is ready, export the image as a PNG and add it to the other designs in Canva. Repeat this process for all images in your book. Step 4. Finalizing and publishing. Now that we've got our book designed, let's make sure everything is perfect. Go through the entire book to ensure it's high quality and ready for readers. Next, we need to get it ready for Amazon KDP. If you're unsure about any part of the publishing process, don't worry. There are plenty of resources and videos available that can guide you through each step in detail. And that's it. We're ready to publish and share our amazing book with the world. And that's a wrap. We've covered everything from finding a niche to designing and publishing your scissor skills book. Now I'm curious, what niche are you thinking about exploring for your first Amazon KDP book? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your ideas. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus and hit the notification bell for more tips and strategies to boost your passive income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.